Good evening. I will be sharing some details of the foam concrete. Stay there till end. Hope you will enjoy the video. So, what is the contents of today's topic? So, first, what is the foam concrete? Second, what is the difference of foam concrete and normal concrete? Third, what is the use of foam concrete? Fourth, the research studies on foam concrete in India. So, what is the foam concrete? From this picture, we can see it is a foam concrete block right from the lab. Foam concrete is either a cement paste or a mortar. It is also categorized as a lightweight concrete. So, what happened in the inside of a foam concrete? Well, air voids are entrapped in the mortar by suitable foaming agents. This foaming agents is a material that create the foam. It can be a surfactant or a blowing agent. Now, a surfactant is an agent that present in every soap or a detergent. It reduces the surface tension of a liquid by merging elements to form bubbles. So, next question is what is the difference between the normal concrete and foam concrete? Well, normal concrete is made up of three basic components, that is water, aggregate, and Portland cement. Cement, that usually in powder form, acts as a binding agent when mixed with water and aggregates. Foam concrete is a type of lightweight concrete that is manufactured from cement, sand or fly ash, water, and foam. Coarse aggregates are not used in the concrete. Before we move into the application part, let's go for the properties of foam concrete. Here is a picture of foam concrete that is very flowable and it has been tested for spread. Foam concrete possesses a high flowability, low self weight, a low consumption of aggregate, controlled low strength, and obviously excellent thermal insulation properties. What are some uses of foam concrete? Foam concrete is used for thermal insulation wall in buildings. Fire protection wall is also made up by foam concrete. Last but not the least, it has a very lightweight starting from 300 kg per meter cube. You can see from the picture that foam concrete block is floating in the water. Isn't it fascinating? Research studies are going on IIT Madras and IIT Guwahati on foam concrete. It is not very popular because of its complex mixed design, but it has a very opportunity to be in construction industry in near future. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, please like down and share with your friends and comment what are the topics that you want to mention in my videos.